Hello, it's Helen here with another speedy tip in my series to help you save money, save time, save stress, and we hope make you some more money, because that's what we're all in business for, isn't it? So my question for you today is, how do you keep track of your customer contact details and your prospects contact details, the people that you're going to hopefully get some work from in future? Do you have it all sort of in your inbox? Do you have it on a notepad? Is it hard to access that information? Are you scrabbling around looking for email addresses and phone numbers when you need them? If that's the case, you need to stop right now, because you need something like a customer relationship management system. Okay, so they're known as CRMs. The word CRM covers a multitude of things now, so don't be put off by it. I'm going to keep this dead simple if you're just getting started. Now, an Excel spreadsheet will work at a basic level. So you want things like columns for name, address, phone number, email address, and when you need to contact them next. That will work, but there are specialist tools that will do a much better job for you, and some of them are free or very, very cheap, so you'd be crazy not to just give them a look. So the names of some of those tools are things like HubSpot CRM, Capsule CRM, or the one I really like at the minute is Begin by Zoho. That's not one that people have heard a lot about amongst sort of my circle of people, but I really like that. Let me just show you what it looks like. I'm not going to take you through it, that will be for the future, but yeah, Begin by Zoho CRM. It's a good combination of a tool that does everything you need it to do, but is simple enough to get started with as well. It's not going to overwhelm you. So the kinds of things that it can do for you is store that customer or contact name, phone number, email address, but it will also store a history of the conversations you've had with them. You can also store things like, have they got a dog? What's the name of the dog? That sort of thing. Are they into football? So that you come to the conversation with them knowing a bit about them and remembering what you've spoken about in the past to help you build that relationship. CRMs will also remind you of when you need to contact that person next, because we all know when it comes to getting new projects and new clients, follow-up is so important, but so often forgotten when you get busy. So it will really help with your follow-up process. Okay, so going back to what I recommend then, like I said, I've been testing out Begin with some clients and some people that I know, and I really like it. There's also one CRM that's very popular with solo business owners and small businesses. That's HubSpot CRM, which is part of the HubSpot suite of software. Now, on the plus side, it's free, which is always good and always appealing to the solo business owner. It does have some problems though, in that it can get quite complicated, and you can get so far with it and you need to start paying quite a lot to use it. So my approach is to say I would pick a tool that is going to be inexpensive for many years for you. You're looking at paying £10-15 per user per month, and you're never going to get any nasty shocks in what it's going to cost you. I would go down that route, and certainly Begin is better for that than HubSpot would be. But what I would like you to do is whatever you do, if you haven't got anything that fills that CRM gap in your business, get it as soon as you possibly can, because it will save you loads of time and it will very quickly pay for itself in money and effort, because you are almost certainly losing projects now, because if you don't have a good system for keeping on top of your client and prospect data and for following up, you're going to be losing money. So look at this now. If you do get started with an Excel spreadsheet, that's a lot better than nothing, but consider that there are specialist tools out there that might make your life even easier. Okay, so that's your task for today. Check out a CRM. Hope it's been useful. See you in the next video. Bye. For more tips, templates and checklists, go to my free business toolkit, which you can find at speedydigital.co.uk/courses.